Hello everyone. In this class, I am going to discuss about the Karnaugh map. Simply, it is called as K-map. So here, for simplifying the Boolean expression, you have to remember all the Boolean laws or Boolean theorems. It is somewhat difficult to remember all the theorems while simplifying the Boolean expression. So to avoid such problem, you have to use K-maps, Karnaugh maps for simplifying the given Boolean expression. So here, Karnaugh map is the pictorial representation of truth table. It is the pictorial representation of the given truth table. So here, the K-map consists of number of squares. The K-map consists of number of squares. Each square specifies a cell. In each square, it has either min terms or max terms. Either min terms. Min terms means sum of products. Max term means product of sums. Sum terms. Min terms means product terms. Max term means sum terms. So here each cell specifies either min term or max term. So here the number of squares in the K-map can be obtained by using 2 to the power of n. Here number of squares is equal to 2 to the power of n. Here n is equal to number of variables. So the number of squares in the K-map depends upon the number of variables used. For two variable K-map, the number of squares is equal to 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to 4 squares. For two variable K-map, if you are taking two variables, in the K-map, the number of squares present is 2 to the power of 2. Here 2 is number of input variables. So totally 4 squares. So for three variable K-map, the number of squares is equal to 2 to the power of 3. That means it contains 8 squares. For 4 variable K-map, the number of squares present in the K-map is 2 to the power of number of input variables 4. That is equal to 16 squares. Now we are going to discuss about the two variable K-maps. Two variable K-map. So here in this two variable K-map, the number of squares can be obtained by using the formula 2 to the power of n. Here n is the number of input variables. Here two variables. It consists of two variables. Two variables means 2 to the power of 2. That is equal to 4 squares. So the two variable K-map consists of 4 squares. So this is the format of 4 variable K-map, 2 variable K-map. So the 2 variable K-map consists of 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Here each square consists of either min-term or max-term. Each square consists of either min-term or max-term. So this is the M0, M1, M2, M3. Here M0 means min-term 1, second min-term, third min-term, fourth min-term, or first max-term, second max-term, third max-term, fourth max-term. Because in each cell or each square specifies either min-term or max-term. So here in 2 variable K-map there are 4 min-terms. This is the format of 2 variable K-map. Let us take one example for this 2 variable K-map. So here this is the truth table of 2 variable K-maps. Here the number of input variables, let the number of input variables x, y. So by using the 2 variables, the possible min-terms are 4. So here this is the min-term, first min-term, second min-term M1, third min-term M2, fourth min-term M3. So these min-terms specified in the K-map like this, in this format. First min-term should be specified here, second min-term should be specified here, third min-term should be specified here, fourth min-term should be specified here. This is the format of 2 variable K-map, and it consists of 4 cells, 4 squares, and each square it specifies a min-term or max-term. So let us take one example for this 2 variable K-map. Let this is the 2 variable K-map, and it consists of 4 squares. The 2 variables are x and y. Here you have to take the true form of variable, that is x. The true form of variable is 1, and its complement form of variable is 0, 1, 0. In the same way, for the variable y, it is true form, it is complemented form. It is y and y bar. You have to specify the min-terms in this format: M0, M1, M2 and M3. M0, M1, M2 and M3. That means here x bar, y bar. This is the x bar, y bar. This is x bar, y. Min-term 2 is x bar, y. Third min-term x, y bar. Fourth min-term x, y. There are 4 min-terms. X bar, y bar is the first min-term, that is specified in the first cell. Next one, x bar, y, that is the second min-term, that is specified in second cell, M1. Third min-term, x, y bar, that is M2, that is the third min-term, that is specified in third cell, M2. Fourth min-term, x, y, M3, that is specified in last cell, M3. So that is the representation of K-map. Let us take one example for simplification of 2 variable K-map. Let us take one example for simplification of the Boolean expression for the given truth table. That means, let us take here The output is 1 and this is 1. Let us, the product terms are 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. That means in SOP form for the minterms you have to consider only product terms. That means ones. That was told earlier in SOP format, SOP expression. So take the 1, 1. So for example, x, y, m0, m1, m2, m3. Here, what is the output? m1 and m3 are 1. m1 and m3 are 1. The remaining are 0. While writing the product terms, you have not specified the zeros. There is no need to specify the zeros. Whatever the one occurred for the product terms, whatever the ones occurred at the output side, that you have to take as minterms. m1 and m3. So m1 is 1 and m3 is 1. m3 is 1. Now what is the output means? How can we write the Boolean expression for this K-map? Means here this is x and this is x complement. This is y and this is y complement. Y complement. So 1, 0, 0, 1. So for the function of xy, xy means for the function of two variables x and y, we can write the Boolean expression. Here 1 is present and here in this cell 1 is present. Here what is 1? X bar y. Plus here what is y? X, y. X, y. So that is the way of writing the Boolean expression for the given truth table, for the given K-map. So K-map is the pictorial representation of truth table. So depending upon the number of variables, the number of cells can be represented in the K-map. There are three types of K-maps. 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map and 4 variable K-map. This is the 2 variable K-map. That is about the today's session. Thank you.